Windows 10 is finally here and it made its official release on 29th of July 2015, and we are here to help you make Windows easy for you to use. For those of you running Windows 8, 8.1 and 7 on the machine can get it as a free upgrade from Microsoft by reserving their copies on the official website of Microsoft, while the rest of you will have to buy it. The price tag of the new Windows ranges from 99 euros to like 171 euros, but trust me guys, it's really worth it. So to start with, we have the standard start menu coming back and replacing the metro menu. On the left we get a list of the most used or the recently used apps by the user, and on the right we get a glimpse of the lifestyles which were introduced by Microsoft in Windows 8 and 8.1. Microsoft has come up with some of the great animations for lifestyles which have been incorporated into Windows 10. The start menu of Windows 10 is totally resizable, that is the length and the width of the start menu can be changed. We can also go on to change the color of the tiles, thus giving the start menu a whole new look. One of the greatest features added to Windows 10 is the Action Center, where we get notification from all our install apps. We can also toggle between the tablet mode and the normal PC mode with just a click of a button. We also get many other shortcut icons here on the Action Center. The task viewer is finally back and the button is placed on the taskbar. We can also go on to add multiple virtual desktops onto our machine and transfer the content or the application from one desktop to the other desktop. Now to toggle between the different desktops on our machine, we can use the shortcut key combination Control Windows and the arrow key. To work on two different applications on once, just select the application from the task menu and drag them to the respective corners, and Windows will split the screen into two, thus giving you a feel of the split screen on a single screen. The built-in Cortana takes the multitasking of Windows 10 to the whole next level, helping us accomplish two or more different tasks at once. Now suppose while I'm typing an email and I want to know the weather tomorrow, so I'll just ask Cortana, "Hey Cortana, how will be the weather tomorrow?" And Cortana will reply me with the appropriate answers from the web. So this is quite cool, right? Microsoft Edge is finally here to replace the traditional Internet Explorer, and as talked by the developers of Microsoft Edge, it took them over like 1 year to write 3 million lines of code to add such functionality to Edge to make it the top of the list of browsers in the industry. So what makes it so special? This is the 3 new features that have been incorporated into Edge, the first being the writer mode, the second the reader mode, and the third the built-in Cortana. So using the writer mode, we may write anywhere along the web page for future references. We may also highlight the important contents using the highlighter mode and go on to add notes along the web page about certain topics. The crop feature allows us to crop a particular part of the web page and share it with our friends on social media instantly. Now talking about the reader mode, it converts the whole web page into a PDF format for us to avoid the distractive advertisement pop-ups that come, thus allowing us to gain the full information and the knowledge the content of the web page wants us to provide with. Now suppose if a user wants to gain extra information about any topic or a phrase or a word on the web page, the built-in Cortana comes to our rescue. All we need to do is to highlight the content and from the right-click menu, choose Ask Cortana, and a digital companion will provide us with the appropriate information. The Windows users feel a lot more comfortable and at ease ever since the world's first digital companion, the Cortana, has been brought down to the PC level. We may ask Cortana to open web pages for us, like for instance, "Hey Cortana, open Microsoft.com." And this will make the Edge browser to pop up and open the particular mentioned domain. We may also ask Cortana to help us with some general PC tasks like setting up our reminders and alarms. "Hey Cortana, set an alarm for 5 p.m.
Okay, I've turned on your 5 p.m. alarm.
Even if you're alone, you're never alone with Cortana. You can use her for entertainment like, "Hey Cortana, sing a song for me." And she'll do.
Here's one I know. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never thought of?
Or for normal talking, like, "Hey Cortana, what are you doing?"
Multitasking.
Quite intelligent. So Cortana has been made quite intelligent by the developers at Microsoft, and it generally seems like you're talking to a general person and not to a digital media. So if you're familiar with Windows 8 and 8.1, you must have been introduced to some of the mouse gestures that Microsoft introduced in these versions of Windows, but it didn't prove to be a great success. So this feature was revisited by Microsoft, and let's see what the team has come up with. Suppose you're working on 2 or 3 different applications and you want to minimize them to the taskbar in a go. All you need to do is to scroll down using your 3 fingers along the length of the trackpad, and they'll all get minimized to the taskbar. And if you want all those minimized apps to reappear, all you need to do is to swipe up using your 3 fingers and they'll pop up again. The second one, if you want to view the task viewer, all you need to do is to swipe up using your 3 fingers along the whole length of the trackpad, and it'll show you all the running tasks that may be running at that instance. The third one, if you want to switch between all your open apps, just swipe left or right using your 3 fingers. And there you go. The fourth one, if you want to open search or Cortana, just tap once on the trackpad using your 3 fingers and our digital partner will pop up. Now the fifth one, to zoom in or out on the screen, hinge or stretch using your 2 fingers from 2 opposite corners on the mousepad. Talking about Windows Hello, it is basically a facial recognition security system that comes along with Windows 10. It can sign you in directly using the webcam or the fingerprint scanner, and trust me guys, it has the least response time as compared to all the third-party applications that are present on the stores, and you don't need to pay for one because you get it as a free feature in Windows 10. Lots of productive features, now let's talk about some fun stuff. What's gonna take Windows 10 experience to the whole next peak is the Xbox Live feature and the Xbox app. Microsoft, in collaboration with the Xbox One team, has come up with the Xbox app that will allow you to stream your Xbox games not only on your television screen but bringing them down to the PC or the tablet screen too. It also features cross-platform multiplayer functionality in which people on different platforms like the Xbox One, PC and even the tablets can come together and play games in the multiplayer format. The Xbox Live feature allows you to capture video clips and share them with your friends instantly and also interact with them through messages. Microsoft has also come up with DirectX 12, an update for DirectX 11, and this is proving to be a big one. It increases the graphic quality of the device by 30% without even upgrading a single piece of hardware on your device, thus giving us an extreme gaming experience with high frame rates and resolution, and at the same time cutting down on power consumption so that we can enjoy our gaming for a bit longer. Not only this, Windows 10 has been taken to the Xbox One platform too in order to run the web application and enjoy the Windows games on that platform. So guys, this is all we have in here for Windows 10, and I'm sure after looking at these features, you're gonna reserve your Windows 10 copy and upgrade your Windows experience to a whole next level. In case you wanna share your Windows 10 experience or have any suggestions related to our videos, comment in the box below, and to appreciate our efforts, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Now. This is me Shivin signing off, and as we say guys, it's Tech Now, the start of a new era.